Hey guys, Brent with BJM Motor Co. And here is the 78 Trans Am that I've been promising you guys about. Dad finally got it out today. All original, 78, 24,000 actual miles. The only thing that's not original on it right now is the tires and wheels, which he still has the original tires. They're dry rotted, of course, so instead of blowing them out when he drives it, he puts these aftermarket wheels on here. But as you can see, the car's perfect. 4-speed. Got the 6.6. And it gets better. Yeah, you got a plate there, band 1. Best part about the car, back in 2013, Burt Reynolds himself sat in this passenger seat and signed the dashboard. Dad had a brother-in-law make a plaque here for when he takes it to the car shows. Car gets driven, I'd say 10-15 miles a year is about all he gets it out. And like I said, everything original. Doesn't get much cleaner than this. So don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Put in the comments what you guys think. I'll be posting up some other cars here soon, but wanted to shoot a video today. It's 90 degrees and warm here, so perfect day to get this thing out and you know, put 4 or 5 miles on it for the year. Thanks for watching.